कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. With my body, my speech, my mind or my sense organs, through my intellect, my sense of self or my natural tendencies, whatever actions I perform, all of it is towards the Supreme Being. By saying Narayanaya, I submit my offering. Om Namo Narayanaaya. दुर्वासासुरवनिताप्तदिव्यमाल्यं शक्राय स्वयमुपदाय तत्र भूयः नागेन्द्रप्रतिमृदिते शशापशक्रं काक्षान्ते स्त्वधितरदेवतांशजाना. Sage Durvasa, having obtained a celestial garland from divine maidens, he in turn conferred it upon Indra, and then, having been trampled by his celestial elephant Airavata, cursed Indra. Where indeed is there patience in those who are born as the aspects of other deities? Shapena prathita jaretha nirjarendre deveshvapyasurajiteshu nishprabheshu शर्वाद्याः कमलजमेत्य सर्वदेवा निर्वाणप्रभवसमं भवन्तमापुः. As the ageless Indra fell to old age due to the curse, as the Devas who lost their glory were now being defeated by Asuras, Lord Shiva and others went to lotus-born Brahma, and all the Devas approached you, O one adept at granting liberation. Brahmadyaistutamahima chirantadanim pradushan varadapurah parena dhamna he deva ditijakulair vidhaya sandhim piyusham parimathateti paryashastvam. As Brahma and others kept singing the praise of your glory, appearing before them, O Varada, from your supreme abode, O Devas, make an arrangement with the groups of Asuras and work together to churn out Amrita. Thus you commanded them. Sandhanam kritavati danavai suraughe Manthanam nayati madena mandaradrim Bhrashtesmin badaramivodvahan khagendre Sadyastvam vinihitavan payah payodhau. An arrangement having been made between the Asuras and Suras, with great pride as they carried the Mandara mountain to be used as the churn, as it fell along the way, picking it up as easily as a berry, riding on the king of birds, Garuda, you quickly placed it in the ocean of milk. Adhaya drutamatha sukim varatram pathodhau vinihita sarva bija jale prarabdhe mathana vidhau surasuraistaihi Vyajatvam bhujagamukhe karosurari. Thus, after placing it quickly, using the serpent Vasuki as the great rope, placing all assortments of seeds and herbs into the ocean of milk, starting the process of churning by those Suras and Asuras, trickily you place the enemies of Suras towards the mouth of the serpent. क्षुब्धाद्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे तदानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतरभारतो निमग्ने देवेषु व्यथिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषि प्राणैषीः कमठतनुं कठोरपृष्ठाम्. As the waters started getting churned using that great mountain, due to its immense weight, as it started to sink into the ocean of milk, as the Devas started getting worried, their well-wisher, you, assumed the form of a giant tortoise with a hardened back. Vajrati sthiratarkarparena Vishnu vistarat parigata-lakshayojanena ambodhe kuharagatena varshmanatvam nirmagnam kshitidharanatha munninetha. O Vishnu, with a shell harder than diamond, spreading yourself to a width of 1,00,000 yojanas, with that form, that which had sunk into the depths of the ocean, the king of earth, that great mountain, you lifted back up. Unmagne jhatiti tada dharadharendre nirmethur dridhamiha sammadena sarve avishya dvitaya ganepi sarparaje vaivashyam parishamayan navivridhastan. As the mountain, the king of earth, came back up quickly, everyone now started churning even more firmly. Entering both the groups, as well as the king of serpents, you removed their fatigue and invigorated them. Uddama bhramana javonnamadgirindranyastaika sthiratarahasta pankajam tvam abhrante vidhigirishadayah pramodad udbhranta nunuvurupatta pushpavarshaha. With the speed of their churning, as the mountain started to rise up, as you placed your lotus-like hand firmly on top of it, in the skies, Brahma, Shiva and others, with utmost joy and wonder, started praising you, showering a torrent of flowers. Daityaughe bhujaga mukha nilena tapte tenaiva tridasha kule pikinchidarte karunyat-tava kila deva varivaha pravarshan namara ganan nadaitya sanghan. As the groups of asuras were burning up due to the fires from the serpent's mouth, and due to the same thing, as the group of suras too started to suffer a little, isn't it out of your compassion, O Lord, that clouds showered rain upon the suras, but not on the asuras? Udbhramyad bahuti minakra chakravale tatrabdhau chiramathite nirvikare ekastvam karayuga krishta sarparajah samrajan pavana puresha pahi rogat. Throwing out all kinds of fishes, crocodiles and aquatic creatures, despite being churned for so long as the ocean remained unchanged, you yourself with both your hands tugged at the serpent king gloriously. O Lord of the city of wind, protect me from my diseases.